Oh yeah, we're on, we're running. All right, there's Joey, he's driving. We're heading down in underneath this log here. Take your time, use lots of brake. We're gonna be at about a 40-degree angle. Heading down. And then you'll just take your time and head right on back up. Nothing but sky, Big Sky, Montana. Woohoo!
Oh yeah.
Joey's like, this instructor is crazy.
YouTube it.
Oh yeah, let's go on YouTube.
Oh yeah. We're here in beautiful Montana in the foothills of the Crazy Mountains. Joey's driving a H1 Marlboro Edition Hummer. Heading on down our guest loop. How you like it, Joey?
It's great.
Not too bad of a day?
No, not at all.
All right, that's a wrap for that.